And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 187. Let me show you the color sampler tool. I've already checked out the eyedropper tool. So you can sample colors, and this will be your new foreground color, and it will also be stored right here under swatches. But a similar tool is the color sampler tool. It looks almost the same, but has a little plus sign here. And when I left click on the image, you can see we don't get that added as a swatch. Instead, this info box pops up. And by the way, if you can't see that, just go to Window, and there you'll find the info. So simply make sure that it's checked, but it should be. And this simply samples the colors, and with a left click, you can store the information here. So it's split up RGB, red, green, and blue channel, and it gives you the color values from 0 to 255. And you can add more and more of these samples. They will be numerically ordered. So now I've got 7 here. So this tool is more about finding information, for example, comparing brightness and stuff like that. If you're wondering how you can get rid of these color samples, you simply have to hold Alt and then hover over the spots here, the samples, and then the cursor should change from this eyedropper to a scissor, and then you can left click and delete them. So once again, it's a different tool, even though it works almost the same as the eyedropper tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.